This is Virginia Beach, y'all. It's so pretty. See the beach people? Nice to help Talitha with her pantses. They are bougie boarding their asses out. It's so pretty, y'all. Isn't it pretty? See, it's so pretty. Okay, y'all. I'm about to show y'all some wrongness. Some shit that has no business being on the beach. I'm about to pan across, and I want everyone to point it out to me when you see the wrongness. Leave the comment down there. Do 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 do. Near 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 near. Do 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 do. Say hello to Lisa.
Hi, y'all.
There's the nene playing in the dirt like a little boy.
I gotta call my baby.
Okay. Bye, YouTube.